Hello everyone, this is Tamim from SiteGlider. In today, I'm going to show how to create a news portal or blog site like this. So look at the site, look the design and everything. A professional news portal or blog site. Look the site design. It's very pretty much modern, right? Okay. So I'm sure some simple process to make this site. You don't need to be a developer. Just watch the full video. Okay, let's start the video. So first of all, we have to go our cPanel. So I think you know about cPanel. Cpanel means a developer panel. So if you need domain and hosting to make your site, you can easily buy from SiteGlider host, mentioned in pin comment. So check out this site. Okay, first of all we have to go cPanel, and so that news portal site we made by WordPress. So first of all we have to install the WordPress in our hosting. So click on WordPress manager by Softaculous and install, press the install button and select your domain. I'm select my subdomain. Okay, select this domain and click my app.site. You can select your domain obviously and set your username. I'm just type my name and set your strong password. Okay, and your mail also. Okay, we don't need this plugin, so we unselect it. Okay, then click on install button and wait just a minute. So don't forget like and subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay, our WordPress is completely installed and this is our WordPress admin URL and this is our WordPress URL. Okay, our site URL. So we wanna click this admin URL. This is our WordPress admin dashboard maybe. Yeah, this is our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, it's very simple, right? Okay, so first of all click the appearance, then theme. We add a theme. That name is newspaper WooCommerce news theme. It's obviously paid theme, but don't worry, I will give you this script completely free. Just watch this video. Okay, upload this file and upload our gift our GIF file. Okay, the file name is newspaper and newspaper GIF file, and then upload. Okay, then press install now. Wait and give just a minute or second. Okay, completely done install, and click on active. Make sure your theme is activated. Yeah, done. Okay, now we visit our site. This is our app.siteglider.com, demo.siteglider.com. So these are, now is this very clean and it's just my blog and simple white page, right? But we have to make like this. Okay, just say and get a magic. Okay, so first of all we have some install plugin. I think you know about plugin and theme for WordPress. Just install the install button and wait. The plugin will automated install your hosting. Just give a time. By the way, where you get this file? Simple process, just like this video and make sure subscribe the SiteGlider YouTube channel and message me on WhatsApp, mention in pin comment, and yeah, I will give you the script. It's completely free. Okay. Okay, boss. Our plugin is completely installed. Okay. Now we have to change our site preview, right? So now this site like this. Wait, like that, and go theme panel. Okay, you go theme panel, plugin. Okay, okay, go preview website and select your theme. If you need, you can choose any theme, any theme. uh like, I think this theme is better for me, so I'm going to use this, or this is pretty much better. Okay, preview for my blogging site, this theme is better for me. Okay, so if you need anything, you can just click on install button. My choice is this. I'm just press the install button, this theme install. Yes, just give some time. Okay, our demo is completely installed. Just was the magic. So now we visit our site. I think our site is completely changed. Okay, yeah, our site is completely changed. Okay, our site like this, app.siteglider.com. Now I have to customize the logo and write our personal blog, etc. Okay, the process is the customize the site. The process is click on the customize button, and go on theme panel. This is a theme panel, and set your logo and your mobile header logo, etc. So you can edit the footer from here, and you can easily add advertisement from there. And here is background changed option, theme color option, logo set option, this analytics option. Everything is from here. So just customize your site. And to write blog, just click on post and add post. Title, description as is. Okay, 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 bye. Don't forget like and subscribe. And if you need to manage admin panel video, just comment manage. I wanna give the managed admin panel video. Okay, ta-da.